This is an easy clams in wine garlic chili sauce recipe. The first thing we have to do is to soak the clams to get sand out of the clams. Depending on the amount of water we use, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt and soak the clams for at least 1 hour or longer. The water must be salty like seawater. Otherwise, the clams will not open to spit out water. Just before cooking, scrub the clams one by one with a brush. This is 1 kilogram of clams. For dried chili, you can also use fresh chili, 3 shallots, and 2 garlic. We start by sautéing the dried chili, followed by shallots and garlic. If you are using fresh chili, then start frying the shallots first, followed by garlic and fresh chili. Add 3 tablespoons of shaoxing wine. Add half a bowl of water. Add the clams and cook, either covered or uncovered, until all the clams are open. When all the clams are open, add sugar to taste. We are adding 1 teaspoon. There is no need to add salt as the water we used to soak the clams just now are already salty. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.